I love you a lot. Happy Father's Day for my dearest daddy. Here is a book for you with lots of love. You are my world's best daddy in the whole world. I have a tiny book for you. To my dear father, who is so precious to the heart, I love one word in this book. It suits my father. I'm going to read it. A father helps to make your dreams come true. It's true. My dad makes my dreams come true. I love you, my daddy. You always make me happy. Always happy. My precious heart. I love you a lot. From the one who loves and admires you the most. I want to make my father surprised. I'm going to make a wonderful card for him. Let's go and see what I make. Let's go in and make it. I'm going to make the card. I'm so excited. Let's fold. open, open. I am his rainbow, he is my sunshine. What I mean. Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day for all the daddies. Bye bye. See you, friends. Once again, I love you, Daddy.